Here's a quick video of our house project. We started this in March of 2018 when we started moving dirt. Summer of 2018, they poured the slab for my shop and got it done. Poured the slab for the house in the late fall of 2018. Got it weathered in right before Christmas, and then came back in January and finished it. And we moved in May of 2019. So it took us 14 months from the time we started moving dirt till we had the shop done and the house done. Shop is finished and heated inside. This is a farm I grew up on. I was very fortunate to be able to purchase it and build a house and move back to the place that was home to me. The siding we used is called Tru-Log siding. It's steel siding, looks like logs, foam-filled pieces, puts on like vinyl siding. A little tedious putting it on, but I had a good crew. They do excellent work, very, very picky about it, and everything is, when they're done, everything is perfect. The porch area was a little more complex for them, a lot more to cut around. Took a little bit more time, but again, they're detail oriented, so they finished it up real good. We wanted something that was no maintenance. We don't want to paint. We don't want to have to mess with any of it. So that's basically what we ended up with. When we got done, we thought the front of the house looked a little plain, and we rocked the pillars, the bottom half of the pillars, and still thought it looked a little plain. So we contacted a company and we bought some spandrel and put spandrel, white spandrel in the porch area, and that seemed to finish it a lot better. We're non-shutter people, so we're again trying for simplicity and low maintenance. We're also non-curtain people. As you can see, if you see in the windows, we have no curtains in the house, no curtains or blinds. This is another example of what it looked like when the pillars were done and before we added the spandrel. And then the spandrel just kind of adds character to the porch. We like that addition very well. This place is just riddled with wildlife. We have wildlife around us all the time. And one of their favorite spots is our pear tree in the backyard. You can see it in the right side of the picture here. It'll be coming up in the foreground. The deer just love it. And as soon as the pears start falling, deer start showing up. And I shot this video. This is of a young yearling buck. He was orphaned early in the spring, and he just hangs around us all the time. So I was trying to see how close I could get to him, and I got pretty close before he finally spotted me, got his head around the corner of the tree enough he could see me, and he wasn't going to let me walk any closer. There you can see him move his tail a little. That's when he spotted me. He finally decided he'd had enough of that. And this is just every day we see deer here. My son hunts, and he called, there was 3 that showed up most of the fall, and he called them the pear tree 3, and he wouldn't shoot them. He didn't want to shoot Terry's deer. So that's a piece of our paradise, and we're fortunate to have it.